Find the value of the coefficient of 1 by x in the expansion of 2x minus 1 by x power 5. You need to find the coefficient of 1 by x. Okay, see man, x should be present in the numerator, and how can I do that? If here it is plus 1, take it up, the sign for the power gets changed. So now you need to find the coefficient of x power minus 1 in this. Next, for every binomial, we should make use of the formula NCR x power r y power n minus r. For any binomial, for positive powers, we make use of this formula. Now, what is n, x and y? The power is n. X is whichever term has got x in it, that you take it. Here both of them has got x in it, so you can take any one of them to be x. So let us say I have taken this to be x. The left out one should be taken for y. Okay, if this is x and this is y and this is n. Replace all in the formula. So that will result in NCR. So 5CR in place of x, 2x power r. R will remain like that only. Later we will find out value of r. In place of y, minus 1 by x power 5 minus r. Okay, now after this, simplify this to the maximum extent. And how do we simplify? C. 5CR we cannot simplify, leave it like that. The power r apply to each. So that will be 2 power r x power r. Same here, apply the power to numerator and denominator. So that will be minus 1 power 5 minus r by x power 5 minus r. Okay. Next, write all the numbers before and x at last. That will give us result in 5CR 2 power r. I was talking about this number before. So minus 1 power 5 minus r and x power r at last by x power 5 minus r. Okay. Next, how do we simplify further is, I can simplify this. What formula can I apply here is a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Bases are same, division, so subtract the powers. Apply that formula to this. So if I subtract the powers, what will I get? R minus 5 minus r. Multiply with negative sign. So r minus 5 plus r. These two are like terms. So resulting in 2r minus 5. So this now will change to 5CR 2 power r minus 1 power 5 minus r. In place of this, I can write x power 2r minus 5. Okay. Clear so far? Next, I need to find coefficient of x power minus 1. Here I got x power 2r minus 5. Clear? X power minus 1 and here I got x power 2r minus 5. You should equate both the powers. That will give you the value of r. Equate both the powers of x. So here x power is minus 1 and there x power is 2r minus 5. Okay. Now to get r, add 5 first. So here you get 4 and here it's 2r. Now to get r, divide by 2. So r you get to be 2. Replace that here. So that will be 5C2 2 power 2 minus 1 power 5 minus 2 into x power minus 1. Now, put this in the calculator with into between them. You get the answer to be minus 40. So, coefficient of x power minus 1 is minus 40 is our answer. Okay, coefficient of x power minus 1 means whatever the number before that. And also, if here it is plus, I don't need to put a bracket, but for the negative sign, it should be kept in a bracket. Otherwise, there will be change of sign in the answer. Clear? For the negative, put a bracket.